All right, so we're going to try a few things again. I have some soy sauce, some honey mustard, and some sand tucked into a corner, but I've gone and made a few different adjustments. So you see the screen right here. I've also, I guess, specifically said I want to do corridor, it calls it living room, that's really the kitchen, and then bathroom, and I've blocked the other rooms out. I have set it to vacuum and then mop, and then I've set the suction power for the dry cleaning to maximum, and the water level I'm just kind of leaving alone because I was perfectly happy with the water level. I have also set it to not go over any carpet. So there's a lot of settings to go through here. Feel free to, try all of them to get them tweaked specifically to your humble abode. All right, so let's start. So we're going to be checking out to see if it can use its AI to avoid wet areas, which are right there. On the left we have the soy sauce, on the right we have the honey mustard, and way over there, there's the sand tucked into the corner. And I am not blocking any part of the room off because I have defined it. So over there, my other light, you see I got some carpets there. But it shouldn't go over the carpets for two reasons. One, because I told it not to by blocking off the rooms, and then the other reason is you literally have a setting, and that setting is, say, don't bother to clean carpets. I suppose I'll leave the tape on the supply tank just to see how much it uses. We can take a look at that. But this is round 2. All right, still in the prepping phase. And off we go. Now this does have an onboard camera feature. Let's see if I can figure out how to turn that on. And there you are. So for your viewing pleasure, the 3i S10 Ultra. That actually improved. So remember the first time it hit this? Yep. So second time it didn't. All right, let's see how it handles it. Does it behave itself? So far, so good. For the vacuum running in max mode, it doesn't really make any giant whooshing noise. I was kind of expecting something to be a little bit louder, but it's not. All right, what's it do with the sand? Okay, it's trying. Well, it did a better job, but it still left that. Okay, you're going to behave and not go beyond your boundaries. Oh, very good. Very, very good. All right, it's behaving exactly as you would think it would go. All right, here we go with the sand. Again, does it make any difference? Can it get in there? Nope, it didn't really change anything. So that's all it can do. That's a tight corner. Let's see, is it going to identify and ignore the sauce? Oh, I think it did. Yeah, I think it identified and ignored the soy sauce, which is what we wanted. Okay, how about the mustard? Is it going to do anything? Uh-oh. Nope. It's in vac mode. And the mop is not running. Okay, so, yeah. Sorry, 3i. That's definitely a fail. So what's going to happen? What's going to happen with the mustard? Okay, I've got a new setting here just for the living room, and I have it set to mop 1 time. Now, the interesting thing is the brushes are moving. It is indeed mopping. Let's see, is that wet? Yep, that's wet. But the brushes are moving. And I'm not too sure why the brushes are moving when I've set it to mop only. Oh, it attacked the doorstop, but it is trying its best to mop again. Yeah, kind of climbing up the little quarter round bump there. And yeah, it's trying to, yeah, it's behaving itself a little bit. You know, the suction part of the unit may actually be off. It's not very loud. If it's on, it's not very loud. I don't hear the same noise that I'm used to hearing. Kind of went back and forth like it didn't like that. Oh, going to do anything with the mustard? All right, getting close. Is going to tackle it? Yep. Oh, geez. That was pretty quick. So that was one kind of fast swipe, and it got the vast majority of it. Let's see, will it go back for more? Okay, how about the soy sauce? It's weird. The brush is slowed down. I don't know why they're running at all. Well, the rest of the sauce came up, of course. And let's see, mustard, I think, yeah, there's a little bit left right in there. So you could set the water settings higher. You could also set to go over the area twice to be sure. And it looks like it's going over the area twice by itself. So I mentioned this in round 1. I really do like the mop function. Yeah, and that still stands true. Let's see how we're doing now. Yeah, it's all gone. It's all gone. And it figured that out all on its own. So as a mopping device, I give it very high marks. Yeah, and now it's hitting it again. So it's doing a deep clean. And I didn't even really tell it to do anything like that, but it definitely has cleaned those spots. Soy sauce and honey mustard is completely gone. And you can definitely see the water it puts down. And that's just set on medium. I tell you what, I do appreciate this 3 eyes ability to clean our baseboards. So, I mean, it might seem to be a little ridiculous, but our baseboards are, I mean, they're shiny clean. They're normally not that good looking. So that's a plus for me anyway. It is really making sure. Is this like the 4th time it's going over that same spot, making sure that it's super clean?